The Roman legionary, renowned for their unwavering discipline and strength, wielded a diverse arsenal of weaponry. Among these, the javelin played a critical role in battlefield tactics. However, as the Roman Empire transformed, so too did its weapons. Enter the spiculum, a late Roman innovation that replaced the iconic pilum around 250 AD. The spiculum's origins remain shrouded in some mystery. Some scholars propose it emerged from a fascinating cultural exchange. As Germanic tribes increasingly integrated into the Roman ranks, their spear-wielding traditions may have influenced Roman design. The Angon and the Bebra, Germanic spears, potentially inspired a more versatile weapon that excelled in both thrusting and throwing. The spiculum was roughly 1.9 meters, 75 inches, long. Unlike the pilum, known for its distinctive bending head designed to cripple shields, the spiculum boasted a shorter, sturdier iron point. This design sacrificed some throwing power for a critical advantage, superior performance in close-quarter combat. While the exact design variations of the spiculum remain debated, its core function is clear. It could be hurled at enemy formations to disrupt their ranks or unleashed in brutal hand-to-hand combat. This adaptability made it a valuable asset for the evolving Roman soldier who now faced different battlefield scenarios. Historical records by Vegetius, a Roman military writer, add a layer of intrigue. He mentions the spiculum, but some scholars argue it was simply another name for the pilum. Regardless of the specific terminology used, most historians agree the spiculum represented a clear evolution from earlier javelins, designed to address changing battlefield needs. The spiculum's reign wasn't destined to be eternal. Sometime after 400 AD, it faded from favor. The reasons for this decline are unclear, but likely a combination of factors, including evolving warfare tactics and the development of new weaponry. While the spiculum may not be as celebrated as the pilum, its story offers a valuable glimpse into the dynamic nature of Roman military technology. It exemplifies the empire's ability to adapt and its relentless pursuit of the most effective tools for battlefield dominance. The spiculum serves as a reminder that even the most established weapons can be replaced when new strategies and technologies emerge.